I use this tool to estimate my score and also use it to polish my words. I will input my answers like in essays, like academic essays, discussions into on this website, and it will give me some feedbacks. So I will rewrite my essays again, and I think this process can help me improving my writing skills.
For writing parts, I think that LingoLeap could just really make so many corrections of my grammar. My grammar was really bad, I have to say that. Every time when I just made some mistakes, I would just, have it and I would just roll it up again, and so that I could just see that where the mistake was going on. So I could just know that next time I will never do this mistake again.
For the speaking part, I first recorded my response so I can listen to the space and I can determine my speaking pace. And the tool evaluates speaking based on fluency, correctness, and topic extensions, and providing the detailed feedback for me.
For speaking part, I was like recording myself, and I would just, use that kind of record and just listen it once and once again so that I could just see where the mistake was going on, how they construct their answer, and why their answer is so different to me. I'll just say that how he could just make example, but I couldn't think of.
Usually I will use the LingoLeap tool during the 刷题, like doing questions, and like after seeing the feedbacks, I will read aloud the revised part of my answer 4 or 3 times to like remember the changes and how the AI's changed my answer to a better one.
Maybe the mind map.
I found the mind maps to be extremely useful.
The revised answer, as I said before,
I think it's the feature that can make your grammar corrections in your writing part.
You can generate some materials, and they can help me accumulate more things to say.
Because when I'm writing the academic discussion part, I have to come up with a few points, and then I have to look for some supportive evidence. So I think the mind map can actually let me have a clear understanding of the whole structure.
This helped me summarize key ideas, which I can then incorporate into my writing. And I can compare my writing with the mind maps to reveal that what I had missed.
Because the revised answer can kind of help me to know which part of my answer is not so good and which part is good enough so I can keep it. It can help me to focus on specific aspects of my speaking and help me to improve more on these aspects.
The sentences it generates are very useful. It tells me you can organize what you said like this, and that will be more logical. I think this is very helpful.
They'll just use the red mark to mark your mistakes in your grammar. I think that is the most important thing, because sometimes the grammar mistakes we couldn't just pay attention of the grammar mistakes. They were so small, they were so tiny, and sometimes we just ignore it. But in real test, it really costs. Like the test. Like sometimes when the people see your writing skills, and after they see that, maybe they will just pay attention to your small mistakes. So we have to take care of every details. So I think that LingoLeap will just help me to take care of every detail, to just put up and just improve my writing skills by making those little corrections.